Hey guys, Matt from Tutorial is here, and today I'll be showing you how to make your Wi-Fi faster for gaming. So you may ask why this is happening. Now this is happening and it's been brought to my attention that Windows 7 Wi-Fi cards are meant for web surfing, so going on to Google and I don't know, other websites you go to. It's not meant for FPS gaming, like for example Minecraft or League of Legends or anything like that. Now, XP. Well, this video was inspired by StarCraft Sportsnet. That's why I got on here to make this video, because his video wasn't that in there, and I just wanted to double help him. But anyways, XP doesn't have this problem, so we're gonna downgrade/upgrade our drivers to Windows XP. Now to do this, you're gonna first get your Wi-Fi card info. And to do this, you're going to go to Start menu, type in Device Manager, or just Device Mana, and first one. And this is on Windows 7, by the way. You're going to go to Network Adapters and find the one that says Wi-Fi Adapter. Now, you see I have Belkin USB. It's because I have a Wi-Fi Advancer, which gives me more bars, as you can see right here. I have a total of 6 bars, but you guys won't have that. If you're on a laptop, you'll have Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So go over to your Wi-Fi and write down the model number, and the brand. So mine's an Atheros AR9285. Now you're going to write that down. And before you do anything else, you're also going to need your bit of your computer. So to do this, you're going to, or your OS, you're going to go into the Start menu, right click on Computers, and go to Properties. Go to where it says here System Type, and mine's 64-bit, and yours might be 32-bit, but it's all the same. Okay, so now we're going to download the software. So you're going to go into your web browser, go into Google, and type in this. Let me just get rid of this. Okay, so you're going to look up Atheros, or in since mine's an Atheros, you're going to look up Atheros AR9285. You might have to look up Realtek, whatever. And at the end, after your model number and your brand, you're going to write XP, and then for my example, mine's a 64-bit, and then driver. If yours is 32, you just change 64 to a 32, and you find a good link. Now, you have to make sure the links have these files that I will list right here. It must have an INF. Must have INF. And that will tell your system to downgrade/upgrade it till XP. So anyways, I'll get into that later. So if you're using an Atheros like me, it will come up. I already have a link, I'll give it to you. So just double check that it's Windows XP, 64-bit, and it's your Atheros manufacturer. Put in the code, download, whatever. So after you download it, you're going to go back into Device Manager. Oh yeah, by the way, you might need WinRAR to extract it, as I will show you here. I had to extract this, so you might need to extract yours as well. So I'll put a link for that too. So you're going to go back to Network Adapters, go over to your Wi-Fi, click Update Driver Software. Now you're going to go to Browse My Computer. You're going to go to your extracted folder that you extracted all that files to. You're going to click OK. And if you see, this is mine, and it has the INF, which setup information. And then you're not going to click Next. You're going to click Let me pick from a list of devices or drivers. If you click Next, your computer will just crash, because Windows 7 doesn't want you downgrading, quote unquote, because it's Windows 7. Why would you go back to XP? But anyways, you're going to click Let me pick, click Have a disk, Browse, and if you're using an Atheros, I'm most likely sure on 64 bits, you're going to use this one that ends with a WX, not a W. I found this one to work. I tried this one and it did not work, so just do this one and click Open. OK. Now you're going to get a whole bunch of network adapters. Go down until you find your make and model number. So 9285, and then you're going to click next, but I'm not going to do that because I'm already running that and I have a wireless strengthener. So yeah, and you're going to notice much improvement in your gaming. And if that's not working and you really want your old drivers back, you're just going to go into Device Manager. Give it a minute. You're going to go to Network Adapters and Update, and you're just going to search automatically and it'll re-update to Windows 7 in about a minute. So guys, thanks for watching. This is our first video from Tutorial Wiz. My name is Matt, and guys, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks.